Hello everybody and welcome to the webinar. So hope you guys are well, hope you're doing fine. So here we are back on the live streaming. So I'm glad to be here, and just to not forget, I wish everyone a happy Christmas for everyone who is celebrating it, and probably the happy new year, because we will probably not make a webinar this year. Okay, but I will see if I will manage to have any time. Of course, I will jump on the webinar. All right. So, how was your trading week? How are you ready, guys? I know that the market is really slow and kind of boring those days. It's not moving. I always love volatility market when the market moves kind of faster. But now it's getting really boring and slow, but we will still manage to get some movement. I see that we have a couple of trades. I don't believe that everything is dead. There is always something that is moving, and I would love to share that with you, what I see currently on the market. I will not trade any different as I do usually. I will keep my trading rules the same. I will not change anything. It doesn't matter if the market don't move fast. I will keep my rules the same. We'll just follow it. So you should do probably the same. I saw a couple of traders that they are not trading because of the holidays, because they are saying that the market is different and so on. But I really don't believe in these things, because I see the market, it's always in constant motion. I can say it's stopped. Yeah, Mehmet's here, so he's saying that the crypto is hype. Yeah, crypto, it did really nice movement and amazing moves since last time when we were discussing about the crypto. Okay, so those who were not there, you can just go back and watch the crypto, what we did and what were our forecasts. It did an amazing movement. Mehmet probably celebrating already the profits. I know that he took most of them and he's stacking a nice profit already. Okay, definitely we will watch the crypto, of course. But first, what I would love to do is I will go first through the Forex pairs that I personally watch and what I will trade, and then we will discuss about the crypto. Yeah, that's an amazing. Mostly what I see now on the crypto is just just stack your profits. That's all what you can do. Don't get in now, you are too late. Okay, but if you were there with us, you had an amazing opportunity to buy it, amazing spot. You should be up at least 20 to 30%. That's the minimum what you should be up if you were there with us and follow the setups that we've been discussing about. All right, so perfect. Let's go. I will start now with the setups that I am currently watching. Let me just grab my pen. Let me just use it. But guys, feel free to ask anything. Use the chat, use the live chat. This is your chance to ask me anything. Okay, so feel free to communicate with us. We're really nice people. Okay, so I will be answering on the chat. Okay, I will constantly answer the chat. I will first show you my setups, what I will trade, and I will answer a couple of questions. Okay, so let's go. AUSD, what I do anticipate over there is that the price will go a little bit higher over there. Okay, so price will probably do something like this, and then it can spike up a little bit and then going lower, or it can start going down from there. Who knows? But what we have to do is we have to wait now over there to see if there will be any momentum, any sales, any strong sell setups on lower time frame even. Okay, so in 1 hour there should be a strong candle, strong red candle, which will start pushing the downside. This will mean you can start watching for the sell stops. Okay, if not, and if this will be very slow movement struggling over there up and down, this will be the just 1 2 3 flat for one more high, but the move is still for the downside. Okay, what I don't recommend you is to go for this buy. Okay, buy is something that you should not be trading. We are even at the top of the structure, and I don't trade the top of the structure. Okay, my strategy is not giving me good risk to reward ratio at the top of the structure, even my my probability it's lower for the sell, and even for the buy, sorry, for the buy it's lower probability, but for the sell it's getting higher and higher, higher and higher. Okay, so probability for sell is getting higher, but for the buy probability it's getting lower, lower and lower. Okay, so make sure that you know and understand in which direction you're trading and in which direction probability exists, because if you will be trading in the direction of the probability, then of course you'll make more money and you will eventually make more winning trades, and this is what we all want, right? Okay, so probably no one is here who is stacking the losses, so we all having the same desire and same goal to make money. We all are trading with the same goal to make money. I haven't met any trader who is there to lose money. All right, so we all want to make money, so be careful where you're getting into the market, because it's really important from which price or from where in the structure you're entering in the market. That's rule number one, which you'll have to start using. Okay, always ask yourself, where am I getting into the trade? Euro Aussie based on the Aussie drop. Okay, so this is the correlation. If Aussie USD goes down, then of course Euro Aussie will go up. But the question over there is how far this can go. Okay, so this looks like a nice impulsive structure. Now it's correcting, and this looks like a flag, and we will start pushing its way to the upside. Probably it will give us some correction over there, and then one more leg lower, or it can just extend to the upside. But what is the point? We should start watching it for the buy, because if you will be late in this buy, okay, here now we are on the spot where we have a higher probability of the buy setup, and that means if you will be waiting too long and price will reach the trend line, that doesn't mean you should not get into the buy. You can, but it's not good. Okay, if you buy there, you can put your trade on the break even as soon as the price will get to this trend line, and you are safe. You don't need to care, you just watch your price. If it gives you any price action there and shows you that it will reverse to the downside, you just book your profit. Otherwise, you keep your trade on break even and you're just watching your account grow. It's so easy. Okay, so easy. Don't complicate your trading. But as I'm already showing you, it's really important from which price you're getting into the market. Okay, mostly when I see that traders are getting too late into the market, and of course me at the beginning of the career I was doing the same kind of the error. I thought that it's really not important where I'm getting into the market, okay, but it's really the most important factor, I think, is where you're getting into the market, because if you get into the market on the bad spot, you'll even have lower you will have a less profits. Okay, your risk to reward ratio will be bad, your stop loss will be bad. Okay, so you have three things that can kill your gains and of course kill your account. Okay, so to sum up everything, if you're not getting into the market from good price, from the reasonable price, you will have a stop loss which is not making sense, risk to reward ratio will be affected, and of course your profits will not increase. Okay, so really important from where you're getting into the market. All right, so watch for the buy stops definitely over there. I would be watching for buy stops. This is the flag that's indicating that the price will go to the upside, so watch for a nice candle over there, strong candle, and then ride the move to the upside. Okay, next one, your GBP. Your GP is as well on the spot where you have to watch it. Okay, so what the price can do, price can either go higher, take this trend line, and then gives us price action for more sell, or it will start giving us some reactions somewhere there where it stands right now. Okay, what the price can do, it can react over there, gives us a price action, and price action will push then price down there back at this low, gives us the flat, and if it stops over there and gives us again a price action for buy, then the price will drag higher all the way back to this top, to this trend line, and then it will start moving its way to the downside again. So it's really important that you know where you're trading, how you're trading, what the market will do. You have to understand the structure. Okay, there are always a correction. It's either a flat, flag, running flat, expand flat, whatever, what kind of triangles. There are a lot of patterns that can form. Okay, but be aware that you're not getting into the wrong spot, okay, and that you're always waiting for the confirmation before you're jumping into the trade, because it's a huge difference from trading analysis and trading strategy. Okay, so you need to have an edge, and you need to have an analysis. Okay, so you have a strategy how you will analyze your chart, and you have a strategy on how you will enter the market. These are the really two big differences. Okay, you have to understand the difference. It's not the same. You can enter the market based on analysis. You'll get yourself in trouble, so don't do this. Hello everyone, I see that you are already joining. Okay, so where were you guys? You're a little bit late, but never mind. It's still the beginning of the webinar. Alright, so that's great. That's perfect. Okay, we are having on the webinars people from all around the world, and that's the perfect, same as in the academy, in trading academy, it's the same. And I love to make connections with people. Okay, so I love to meet people from all around the world, so use the chat, guys. Okay, so let's go. You know what to do over there, right? So use the yen pairs are kinda interested, let's say like that, because why? Okay, let me just draw it so you understand it much better if I draw it on the chart. So what the price can do, price can just correct over there and then still can go for the downside. So you have to understand this, what it can happen over there, or it can start going up. Okay, so there are two possibilities that are really possible over there. They are all 50-50. Okay, but it's really important what the price will do these next upcoming hours, because this can do 1 through 3. This will give you the confirmation on lower time frame. For more buy, it will go up. If it stops around the trend line, gives you the price action, you should be a seller. Okay, because that could be a really nice sell opportunity there to the downside. Make sure you're watching it properly. You're waiting for a proper price action. Pound yen, same. Okay, so here it is, same flat over there, and then we have to watch it. Price can keep on struggling higher and higher all the way back to this top. Okay, so then of course this should be our trade. You should be in this kind of the trade. It's gonna be nice. The risk to reward ratio as well, it's reasonable. Okay, so if you have the strategy, follow it. I see a nice profit over there all the way back to the top, and then reverse the downside. This could be something like this, 1 to 3, something like this, and then it can go lower and then even break this bottom, and then it can go for another leg to the upside, and then we will take this upper trend line. Okay, but for now that's too far away. We should not make analysis that much further away, because this can change in 2 to 3 days. Okay, so when I teach people how to trade, don't go that much further away. Okay, so it's not worth to go that much in the future. You have to be in present moment. You have to be in this moment. You have to recognize what the chart is doing currently from the current standpoint. Okay, if you don't understand this, either you move to the next chart, or either you stop trading because you're doing something wrong. Okay, so you have only two options. Okay, so the worst thing is that you're trading something that's not clear, that you don't understand. Don't do it. Okay, so there are a lot of charts and a lot of better opportunity. Okay, so you can even you can just don't trade. Okay, so you don't need to trade every single day. If you don't see something clear on the chart, move away from the screen. Okay, enjoy your life, enjoy the freedom, be with your family, be with your kids, be with your wife, do something else, go shopping, do something. Okay, so don't push the market, don't try to predict market. Okay, so and especially the market is on the spot where the price can go up and down. That's the 50-50 spot. Don't trade it. I call it 50-50 because if I see the buy and sell at the same structure on the same chart, I just move away. I don't want to trade from the chart where I see 50-50 chance. I always want to see the 90 or 80% probability for one direction. Okay, not 50-50. 50-50 movements are usually in the middle of the structure. Okay, middle in the structure are really dangerous structures. So rather skip it if you don't know what to do, and if you're not fast enough or even skilled enough. But the best thing is, of course, just stay away. Your chief, this one's looking great chart. Okay, so I think we are making a big flat over there on daily. Okay, that's a nice move to the upside. 1 2 3 going down, and we will go again up, not like this, and then probably there it will be structure in the middle, correction in the middle, and we'll go up, take this top, and then it will go for another leg lower. So we are making a flat there in the middle. So 1 2 3. Okay, so easy to understand. That's not complicated structure. You just need to know how to follow it. The price will be, this move to the upside will probably be similar like this one. We are probably somewhere there. It will go up a little bit more, then it will go for a correction even higher, and then it will give you bigger correction as it did over there. Okay, so it will follow the same kind of the correction probably. Then it will hit the top. We have to watch for the price action and go for the downside. Same move like it was over there. So we can see the example on what we can expect and what the market is currently doing. But definitely there is the buy. If there will be any strong sell reaction or any strong bullish candle, you have to react based on that. You're bearish, sorry. Okay, so now watch this flag to keep on pushing higher and higher. This should be your target. Okay, so I see very nice trade over there. I'm already in this trade. I'm still holding it. Okay, and definitely I'm monitoring it. Okay, so will not just forget on it, because it can change, right? It can change, and you have to be capable of recognizing it. Same with the USD chief. Okay, so same with the USD chief. I think that this is not enough big correction for more downside. Okay, I still think we are going all the way back to this trend line. We need a deeper correction, but this is the dangerous spot as well. This is the 1 2 3. Look at that one. And if this starts to pushing continuously to the downside, then you have to be careful for breakdown. This down, of course, and this sell will not last longer, of course. Okay, this will just go break this low, and then it will start pushing higher. This bigger correction, it's more than I needed. Okay, something like this and this. Okay, so we are anticipating same kind of the movements over there. Okay, so you can either trade it if you know how to trade it, or you can either wait for this correction and then take a trade to the downside. So you have only two chances. If you have the strategy, if you have the rules, if you know what you're doing, you can simply just go for the movement. Alright, so guys, let me know, am I talking too fast, am I too fast? Let me know. I can slow down, that's not a problem, because usually when I'm on the webinar and when I'm watching the charts, I'm so excited and I just forget on how fast am I talking. Usually I'm talking really fast. This is sometimes the problem, sometimes it's not. I don't know how you guys can handle. Let me know, just use the chat, let me know if you can follow me. Come on guys, use the chat, let me know. Okay, so I will just continue as I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is something that I will trade. This is what I'm watching currently, and I will talk for a couple more trades, of course, that you can watch. Okay, thank you very much. It's okay for me. Thank you very much. This is what I want from you. Nice, thank you very much for the confirmation. It really means a lot to me. So I know that you are giving attention. So how was the webinar? Is it educational, guys? Can you understand everything? Are there any uncertainties? Are those kind of webinar helpful to you? Are informative enough? Let me know. Okay, perfectly. So let me just continue, but in the meantime, you can use the chat as well. USD chief, we already did it. So DXY, what I see on the DXY and what is the dollar movement from from my side. So what I see over there is that the price can do something like this, can give us some sideways correction, and then it will continue its way to the upside. So somewhere there around the top, the price should give us a price action, and then it can go for another leg lower. Can price extend over the downside? Yes, it can, but it have a lower probability. Probability it's not that high that the price will continue its way. I'm seeing it more for the expanded flat over there. Okay, so this is the structure that I'm currently anticipating that will happen over there. Definitely I will go for this buy because it can be good. Okay, it can even break out. The possibility for the break to the upside still exists, and this is the reason why I will personally go for this buy. I'm already watching in this direction trades. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, so thank you very much. They are learn something new every time. That's perfect. Yep, you're helping. Thank you very much. This is what I'm searching for. Okay, great. So I always love to give you as much information as I can. Perfect. So I'm glad that you guys are learning. I want to make these webinars the most informative because I see there's a lot of bullshit there people are sharing on the webinars, and yeah, that's the reason, that's my motivation, what I would love to do, give you as much information as I can. Okay, so DXY to go up. So based on that move to the upside, I will anticipate the dollar, the dollar will go to the upside, and anticipate your dollar to go down. Okay, so what is it doing currently? It's struggling over there. Okay, I think it's not completed yet. It still can go a little bit higher. So how far it will go, I have no idea. We will see it, but you should not be in this buy. Okay, so here's the example where you can see that probability it's not there. Probability for buy it's not there. Probability for buy was there for buy. Okay, and there was a probability for buy. Definitely buy probability it's not there. The buy probability is getting lower and lower and lower and lower. Okay, so it's losing momentum, and at any time soon it can change its direction because we need to have a deeper pullback anytime soon, or at least a correction. So what I see currently from there is we have one break downside. Now we are going up. First I was anticipating that the price will give me the price action over there, and then we went into the flat correction. The price didn't do what I was expecting. That doesn't mean I was in the trade. Okay, I'm not in the trade yet, but what I will do now, I anticipate a little bit different correction over there. Okay, so now I will anticipate a running flat over there. Okay, and now I'm not anticipating anymore this bottom will be tagged. No, this bottom will not be tagged anymore. So what the price will do is going up, and then it can either go for one more leg lower, give me something like this. So you see we are not getting even close to this low, and then it will start its direction to the upside. Okay, so we will see more upside on the dollar. So you have to know what you can trade. You can definitely trade over there the sell, and buy it something you should be trading. Okay, so you have two options, and currently buy it's not tradable. You can skip the buy, take the sell, and of course if the sell will not be that aggressive, if the sell will not develop the momentum, then of course you'll close the sell, book the profit, and change your direction, change your bias. Okay, simple as this. You just need to be open-minded, and you should not stick to one direction only, and you have to watch charts from the objective state of mind. Okay, so you have to be open. Don't watch and push with your mind that the chart will go only in one direction, or the chart will go in your direction because you draw some trend line. Okay, so the market doesn't see your trend line, and this is really important to understand. Be open-minded, always see the possibilities, and watch charts from the probability state. Okay, so what has the bigger probability? In this case, sell it's having bigger probability, but buy it's having lower probability. Okay, the higher it will go, the bigger probability for sell will be. Okay, so simple. Yeah, that's true. No correction, no entry. That's for sure. Okay, correction is it's something that it needs to happen before you can enter the trade. Okay, But depends, or you are trading on the trend continuation, or you are trading the reversals. On the reversals, and if you're trying to grab the first impulsive move to the downside, you will not see the correction there. Okay, so sometimes depends where you're trading. You will not see the correction over there for the sell. Okay, it will just start dropping. That's where you have to catch it. All right, so pound USD, pound USD. There is some some expanded flat in the formation over there. Okay, so it's going up 1 2 3. This could either stop over there, it can even go high, tag the high, and then it can go lower. It will give you the flat as well. From this can go to the expanded flat, and then on the higher time frame it will give you the flat formation, and then it will start its move to the upside. Very possible, but for this move to the upside you would love to see DXY, the dollar movement, to go to the downside. Okay, so before this movement, okay, before we will start watching for this buy over there, then we would love to see DXY setting up a nice correction. Okay, so sorry, the DXY needs to come up over there and give us some price action. Then we will start watching for the buy, this big buy that I'm showing you on pound USD and euro USD. Okay, it's really important that you wait for the price to reach your level, to reach your extreme levels. Okay, so price will be there for next couple of weeks probably. Okay, like I have shown, it can go from there and then will definitely break the low, and then it will go up. Okay, something like this, it will be the flag, and then we'll see more continuation to the upside. Or it can either go higher and higher, tag the high, then go down, then just tag the bottom, and then it will continue to the upside. So you see now the correction. Okay, so correction can change, and it's really important to understand which correction is it in the making, so then you can easily trade. The more you understand, the easily you will be trading. USD CAD, definitely I'll be watching it for price action and buy. I'm not in the trade, I'm not getting into trade without having any price action, so but definitely this is in my radar. I will watch it as soon as I will see any price action over there, as any reaction. And of course, first I would love to see the DXY give me some confirmation that it will continue to the upside, and then of course USD CAD will follow the direction. USD South African Rand, this can even go higher. Let me just grab the pen. Where is it? This will not be probably like this if dollar will go into the correction. Okay, this will be something like this. Okay, so let me just use this one. So price can just climb up, climb all the way back to this top, and then it can go for the downside. Okay, so this will be much more like a flat over there, flat in the middle, and then the price will continue its way to the upside, to the downside. Sorry, I don't see the price can go from there. If it goes, then I will not be in the trade. It can start pushing lower, then I will just skip the pair. I'm not interested for this movement. It can even extend, but I don't like to trade it from there. Okay, so I would rather pick another chart. Okay, this will be 1 2 3 relationship to this impulse. We can extend then a little bit lower, and this will be all of the correction we got over there, and then we will have probably something like this, and then from there we will be a buyer. Okay, so I would rather go with another chart. Okay, I don't love this pair over there. Oh, ZAR is your currency. Really good. It's good currency. I'm making a lot of money there on USD South African Rand, but not currently. Okay, I made a lot of money. It moves really nice with the stable direction. I like to trade it. Really, I like it, but not currently as it stands right now. I have to grab a sip of water. I'm talking too much. All right. Aussie Chief. This one will give us extension from more downside because of the Aussie USD. I'm anticipating Aussie USD to go down, so this will drag it a little bit lower. Okay, probably back to trend line, or it can even reverse totally. Okay, so but who knows? We just have to watch it and get in the trade on time. Not too early, but on time. Timing is really important, as I'm always repeating. Aussie CAD probably will do the same. it can give us a flat over there and then another leg higher and then drop. Very possible scenario. Sell, I don't think you can go for the sell. It's more than a gun setup. Okay, so I do not recommend anyone to get into the sell over there. Rather skip it. You have many better charts. Pound Aussie. I don't like this one either. Okay, this can struggle over there. It still has to go and gives us some correction over there, but leave it rather. Okay, so there are many better charts. New Zealand USD, this one's looking great. Okay, I would definitely watch this one, what the price is trying to do. I would love to see some price action and keep on pushing lower and even breaking out of this structure. But for this movement, we will need a DXY to change its direction totally, what I currently don't see. Okay, probably the New Zealand can stop by the trend line, gives us expanded flat formation, one more leg higher, tag the trend line, and then we will see the sell. Okay, so you have to understand this movement over there on the New Zealand USD. Definitely you can make money in all the direction. Currently buy, it's not in front of us. We have the sell opportunity in the making, but we have to wait, of course. Okay, so price action is something that you have to wait for it. Don't chase it. New Zealand Chief, same there. Okay, New Zealand Chief as well going lower. This could be the chart. Okay, and then it will push for the last move to the upside. This buy could be really nice. Okay, really nice movement could be. New Zealand Cat, same there. This can go down as well. It could be at least 1 to 3. Okay, the downside, then move to the upside. Very good chart as well. Euro New Zealand going up, of course. Okay, so this 1 to 3, and then we will see what the price will do around the previous stop. Okay, it could just be 1 to 3, and then another push to the downside, which will be very fast. Pound New Zealand, same there. Okay, so this could easily start pushing higher. If it's stopped by the previous stop, it can go lower and then it will go up. Fast movement, be careful where you're getting into the trade. Euro Yen, same there. Okay, so Yen can struggle like this to the upside. Okay, so it can struggle, break even this stop. Okay, and then it will just struggle and then drop down anytime soon really fast. Okay, which will go and break this bottom as well. So make sure that you understand what you're trading and understand where, in which direction you are trading. Chief Yen, same there. Okay, so Chief Yen can come on. Chief Yen can struggle as well there. Struggle, take the top and then start to reverse, or even go down and then take this one and then totally reverse. Okay, so this correction over there then will totally change the direction of Chief Yen. Bigger correction are changing the structure. Cadian, same there. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to. If you're not in the buy from there, wherever you are getting in, you can do anything. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to do. Follow it, watch it, what the price is trying to do, and then going down. If it's stopped by the previous low, this will be just the flat formation, and then this means we will totally change the structure as well. We will not see the downside anymore. So this is the spot from where chart needs to tells us. Okay, so chart needs to tell us from this exact point where it will move, in which direction will it move. Wait, covered Pound New Zealand again. That was quick. Okay. Pound New Zealand is not so tradable. Okay, so you have to watch there for any strong price action, and then it can go up. But be careful around the previous stop, because this could be the flat over there. Flat, then going down, break the top again, and then going to the upside totally. Okay, so be careful, understand where you're buying, and of course this is a critical spot, not critical, but the spot where you have to watch for the price, what it will do, how it's doing, how it's behaving. Was it clear enough now? you are in it, should you close it? You can hold it and see what happens. If you're already in, if you have interest somewhere there within this area or somewhere there, it's okay, hold it now. Okay, it's not making sense to getting out. Or if you are on the break even, if you already open it, close it and wait for a stronger reaction. Okay, depends where you're entering. If you're traded somewhere there from these areas, then you can hold it because it's not making sense closing the loss over there. But it's kind of risky. It's kind of risky, but of course it will go up. But if you open it right there, somewhere there, close it and break even, and wait for strong price action, and then continues with the upside. Easy. But anyway, stick to your trading plan. Okay, so don't do the rash decisions. Don't do decisions that are not based on your trading plan, that are against your trading style, trading strategy, and so on, because this can cause a losses, a drawdown. Okay, so this is the really big problem. Okay, so if you are violating any of your rules, that could be a drawdown, instant drawdown, so be careful. So let's go, let's move forward. New Zealand yen, same there. Okay, so this one can still struggle, go all the way up. This one is the chart that it's telling to me the all yen can go to the upside after the correction. Okay, why? Because look at that one, this is the drop, this is the corrective movement now, and if the price will go and struggle around the previous top, it will go down, then struggle around the previous bottom, and then this is the movement. Okay, so this is the movement, and you have to understand how to trade it. Definitely really good movement. I will keep an eye on this scenario. This has a big probability that it will happen, and of course I will be following. Definitely that's not a buy spot. Okay, so if you are currently without trade, you can do anything. Okay, so a couple of my traders are in the trade from there, from the bottom. Okay, now I will not get in, will rather watch for the sell, and of course then I will watch for the buy from the previous bottom if I will get any price actions around the previous bottom. Easy. Aussian, same there, it's going up, stop by the previous stop, going down, give me the correction, going up. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, okay, tagging the top, and then boom, downside movement. Okay, very possible movement on Aussian. Okay, they are all same kind of structure is forming this move. Okay, so there is nothing. Euro CAD will probably go higher, gives us either a triangle or either a flat and then going down, something like this. But what I see and what I would love to see is this catch if is good chart. Catch if is good. It can struggle, still there. Okay, so struggle a little bit more, and then it will go downside. So this is a good chart. This is a good chart, and all the way back to the previous low. That's even correlated with the dollar. Okay, that's even correlated with the dollar. So this is a good movement. This is something you can watch, so everyone can watch this. Get in to the market after the price action. Make sure you are picking the sorry guys for that. Make sure that you are picking the proper risk management, and of course go for this movement. Alright, so this is mostly everything from the Forex. Okay, so do you guys have any questions? We will slowly now switch to the crypto. I know the Meho is patiently waiting for the crypto market to be revealed. And maybe a couple of crypto traders are there as well. Crypto did an amazing movement, a nice gain on our portfolio. Oil did an amazing job in the morning. Boom, it went up. Okay, so this was tradable. Easy tradable all the way to the upside. And now it's not tradable anymore. Okay, so this was tradable because of this correction over there. Contracting flat, going up. Now it can struggle and then boom, going downside. Similar movement like this. It went up and then dropped. So you see, went up and then dropped. Same kind of the movement. They're always repeating. Pound Chief, you're also in it. Pound Chief. Where's the Pound Chief? I think I don't have it on my watch list. Yeah, I will add the Pound Chief for you, my friend. You're in the buy probably, right? I will not be chasing it over there. Okay, so, but if you are in the buy, if there will be any strong sells, get out of the trade. Don't hold it. I think this will be the corrective, very slow movement. It could be something like this, corrective, and then going down once again, possible. Or it can either do something like this, struggle there, and then it can start going higher. Okay, you really have to know what you're doing if you're trading this kind of the setups. They are a little bit complex charts. All right, guys. So we will start with the crypto markets slowly. I know there are not a lot of people currently online on the live streaming because I know they are the holidays. People are on vacations. They're having days off, and this is the reason why people are not there currently. A lot of people are not there. Usually there are more people. Okay, so let me just switch now to the crypto. If you guys still have any questions, feel free to use live chat. Bitcoin. So what the Bitcoin is trying to do, we saw this correction over there. It's correcting. So what it can do, okay, so it can just correct over there. This can do something like this, okay, and then it can continue straight to the upside. It will probably go and break this low, or it can even break the downside, but that's too far now to say. Okay, so we would love to see their confirmation, any kind of the correction, and then more downside. This is what we would love to see over there before more downside. But a lot of trades were there on the crypto. Okay, we've been buying it from there. Okay, when the chart was there, we were saying don't buy. Okay, so don't buy over there. Let it go lower back this channel and then start buying it. If you bought it, perfect, very good job. Okay, so mostly now again charts are at the very high, and make sure that you don't chase it. Okay, so be careful. Same there, look at that one. Okay, so this one is very at the top. Okay, there is no more buying. So if you were buyer, if you get in on time or around the previous lows or around the trend line, you should start watching to book some profits. Okay, so book some profit. Don't think that the price will go forever. Okay, but if you're investing, then you probably don't care, because if you're an investor, you should hold the trade for at least a year or two, or even more, of course. Alright, so look at that one, an amazing movement, amazing. Okay, so 1 2 3 to the downside, okay, and then bang, went up. Now again, if it correct, bang, one again. Okay, simple, no complications are there. And of course similar like there, 1 2 3 up. That would be probably less push to the upside, then we'll have a deeper correction. Okay, more complicated, and then more upside. Cake, this one did an amazing job as well. Look at that one, magic. Okay, so if you were not there with us on time or on this webinar when we were discussing about the crypto, just go to the YouTube channel or go to the TradingView profile. The recording gets uploaded there, you can still watch it. You'll definitely learn something. Okay, very good opportunity. Look at that one, an amazing correction, went up higher. Okay, so if you bought it on time, look, let's take a look how much you can make without doing anything. Okay, 50%. Okay, so 50% of the movement, magic. Definitely I will not be buying. Okay, so don't buy now. When something is gone, when hype is over, don't buy. Okay, you should not be the last idiot who is buying, because those who are selling, you will be directly transferring your profit to them. So if you want to buy right now, use some brick and hit yourself over the head, because you should not be doing like this. Okay, so you always have to wait for good price to buy. Okay, you need a pullback, you need price to give you either a correction or a deeper confirmation. Okay, so one of them will appear, but not at the top. Okay, so that's the worst thing you can do. Don't buy at the top. You should at least watch charts. You have to understand it, where it's optimal spot for buying. Don't just press the button because someone said it will go up. No, it's really important from which spot you are buying. It's not a bullshit, it's really important. Alright, OP, same there. Okay, so let them go deeper now. Okay, if you bought it, I have no comment over there. More than a beautiful chart. Look at that one. You already are up at least, I don't know, 2 to 300% easily. Alright, that's free money. Free money is on the crypto. Same there. Correction, deeper correction, and buy. Don't buy now. Okay, don't buy now. Mostly this is gone for you. You can't do much over there. You have to wait next couple of weeks. Okay, couple of days, weeks probably, if not month. Month of the correction will be great. Alright, same there. Be careful. It can go into deeper correction. This one as well. This one can go very deep. This one can go very deep. Look at that one. This can go very deep. Okay, so this one was this, and then it can go deep and then go up. Be careful. Okay, so guys, any questions? Same there. Crypto, it's mostly the same. Okay, so I will not go and repeat every single chart. There's a lot of crypto pairs, and they mostly, all of them are the same. Mostly they are the same, so it's not on the spot to wait for at least, I don't know, a month maybe. A month will be good, or 3 weeks at least. 3 weeks of the correction, and then start watching for optimal spot to buy. Alright, so if there are not any questions, I will slowly end the webinar. So hope you guys enjoyed the webinar. Hope it was informative as always. If you guys have any questions, just use the live chat. I will quickly answer on a couple of questions, and then I will end the webinar over there. Okay, so let me end the webinar, let me finish it. Thank you everyone for being there. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel so you will be notified next time when I'm going live. Take care and happy new year. See you in the next year. I will make the webinar definitely in the next year. Maybe I will do it even this week, I will see. So make sure you subscribe it so you get the notification on time so you can join us. That's really beneficial to be there on the live webinar, so you can ask anything and I will instantly answer your questions. So take care, enjoy, and happy holidays.